Imagine a meal so succulent, so rich in flavor, that it seems almost a secret whispered by the sea itself. Have you ever made a dish with mussels? Not the ones you pick up from a supermarket shelf, but fresh, hand-collected mussels from a small river. Today, we're going to discover the hidden culinary delight of crafting a meal from scratch, mussel meatballs. There's a certain art to collecting mussels. Picture a tranquil river where the water flows gently, and the riverbed is a treasure trove of these bivalve gems. The first step is to find them, nestled between rocks and hidden under the sand. It's a bit like a treasure hunt, only the treasure is delicious. Now, collecting mussels requires a careful touch. Gently ease them from their rocky homes, ensuring not to harm the delicate creatures inside. Remember, the goal is to sustainably harvest these mussels, respecting their natural habitat and ensuring their population continues to thrive. Once you've gathered a good number, it's time to bring them home. Rinse them thoroughly under running water, removing any sand or seaweed clinging to their shells. Now comes the exciting part, preparing the mussels for our meal. To make the mussel meatballs, start by steaming the mussels. This not only cooks them, but also allows the shells to open easily. Once they're steamed, separate the meat from the shells. This fresh, tender mussel meat is what we'll be using for our meatballs. Next, combine the mussel meat with breadcrumbs, eggs, garlic, and finely chopped parsley. Blend them together until you have a mixture that's just the right consistency to shape into balls. Roll this mixture into small, bite-sized meatballs, and then it's on to the cooking. Pan fry these little flavor bombs until they're golden brown on all sides. The smell wafting through your kitchen will be tempting, but hold on just a little longer. Once they're cooked, serve them hot, perhaps with a side of tangy marinara sauce or a fresh green salad. So there you have it, the journey from riverbed to plate. It's a process that not only allows you to enjoy a delicious meal, but also connects you with nature and the food you eat in a way that few other experiences can. Collecting mussels from a small river, preparing them, and transforming them into delicious mussel meatballs, it's an adventure in culinary discovery. It's about more than just the meal. It's about appreciating the journey every ingredient takes to get to your plate. It might be a meal you've never made before, but once you've tasted it, it's one you'll want to make again and again. So, why not take the plunge and try making this exquisite dish? After all, the best meals are not just the ones we eat, but the ones we create.